Welcome to 7945 Watson Street in the city of Niagara Falls. This beautifully updated 2-bedroom bungalow sits on just over half an acre, giving you the feel of living in the country with all the amenities of the city. There's plenty of room for all your toys. Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur from BLT Niagara at Revel Realty, and this is my newest listing. For more information on this beautiful listing, call 905-980-1823 or visit bltniagara.ca.